the reason Darren Brown strongly opposed the miracle of Lenten leg, like what the Lord does in the ministry of Pete Cabrera and Todd White. It's because he has the same spirit that Paul rebuked and cast out from the witchcraft young lady in the books of Acts. I will post it here, the verse. He has the same spirit that strongly opposed the miracle of God. He discredited the miracle. He used tricks and deceit